back to Tuesday Tips. I'm Mark Fidgett with your #1 source for real mortgage advice. What's all this talk about qualifying rate? What is the qualifying rate? Who sets it? Who actually gets it? These are all great questions, and it's definitely a confusing topic. Let me start by saying the Bank of Canada sets the posted qualifying rate. In theory, lenders use this rate to calculate your debt service ratio. Having said that, the qualifying rate or posted rate is only used, I repeat, only used, when you choose a variable or fixed term under 5 years. And when I say used, you don't actually get that rate. The rate is only used to determine your mortgage payment, kind of like a what-if scenario. What if this guy had this rate? What would his payment be, and would he be able to handle it? Now, if you choose a 5-year term or longer, the qualifying rate is the actual discounted rate that you get. Now take a variable or a term under 5 years, now you're back up to qualifying with the much higher Bank of Canada rate, which today is about 5.29%. As I've already said, you don't get that rate. You still get the discounted rate. We're only talking about qualifying purposes only. For example, take a 5-year at 3.5% today, that's your qualifying rate and that's your contract rate. Take a variable or a term shorter than 5 years, then today your qualifying rate is 5.29%. So what does this all mean? In a nutshell, if your qualifying numbers or ratios are tight, you may have to take a 5-year term as opposed to a variable or short term. Now today, that's not a bad thing. In fact, it's a pretty sweet deal because rates are historically low right now. Listen, if you're thinking of buying or you need some cash to do a renovation or maybe to consolidate some high interest rate debt, there's never been a better time. The downside, I can't guarantee how long these historically low rates are going to be around. So don't delay, call me today, 604-273-2002 or on the web at www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day and I'll talk to you soon.